Hi everyone, Rainy here. Well, it's been a few months, but I finally got this little toy up and running. We had a few problems, and I'm here to talk to you about the solutions. Things I should have known. And hopefully they're things that will help you. So the problems I had was, I bought this boat from someone, complete package with a trailer, boat, and motor, but the motor wasn't running. He said he tried rebuilding the carburetor to get it running, and there was a piece that didn't come in the carburetor kit, a piece that kind of, I guess when you accelerate, that opens it up to give you more gas and not enough gas, so you put a piece of coat hanger in there. Looked fine, seemed to work, but it was slipping a little bit. So that's the problem with the motor. Worked on it, had somebody come over, work on it for about an hour, purring like a kitten, and it wasn't what you think. But the second problem was the trailer. The trailer came with no lights. In the state of Maine, as long as you drive in the daytime, you don't need lights, but I'm too chicken to do that, so I wanted to get lights on before I can move it. So I tried to fix the ones that were there, but they were too eaten up by rats. I guess where the guy had a part before must have chewed them all up. So I went out and actually I got one of the harnesses from my other trailer. Okay, when I got my kayak trailer, I got 2 sets of harnesses. So I tried to wire those up, and it actually, the lights worked at first. I put them on the back of my car. The lights worked at first. Then they stopped working. Oh, what's going on? So the wiring was different. Finally, I went on to Amazon, and I got a whole new set with the wiring harness and the little plug-in that goes to the wiring harness, and the one that connects to the car has the lights and everything. So I get it all, I plugged it in at first, the right lights worked, the blinker, and the left ones didn't. Then nothing worked. So I wired the whole thing up anyways, the best I thought it should go. I wired it all up, got it all set, backed up the car, plugged it in, nothing at all. What did I do wrong? I figured, aha, maybe I blew a fuse. So I finally found somebody that works on motors. Actually, I searched everywhere in the city. There's no small motor repair people. Then I went to a marina. He says, well, no, we don't deal with little motors, but here's our mechanic. What a coincidence. Can't find anybody in the whole city, but the mechanic he gave me lives 4 houses up the street. He says, I see your house and your boats out there all the time. So he came over, worked on it. Come to find out, the problem was, I didn't know, hopefully you know this, okay, that not only do you have to ground it in the front, okay, the wires need to be grounded right on the front there by where it connects, but the taillights need to be grounded, and so do the running lights. Well, I didn't know that. I put it in, I grounded the front, but the rest of them weren't grounded, and it blew the fuse in the harness of the car. So now, 8 o'clock at night, I'm running to all the different stores in town buying fuses to replace the fuses under the hood, and it's a trailer and this and that, and nothing doing. So when the guy came over to work on the boat, he found out with a Honda Pilot, there's another box in the back of the car, right around where the wheel well is. He pulled that one out, put a fuse in, that worked. He grounded the wires. The lights all worked except for one, where I used one of those little things, it's like a splicer thing, you push it and it kind of goes into the wires. I split the wire in half. So he rewired it, he put rubber on it, heat shrunk it, everything's perfect with that. So the lights are running good. Now, the motor. After working on the motor and dropping screws, never drop a screw inside the motor. There's no tools to reach down this long with all the pieces. It was hard. We had to use duct tape and a twist tie and go down there and pull it out. But anyways, you know what the problem was with the motor? Had nothing to do with the carburetor, had nothing to do with the coat hanger. It had to do with bad gas. There was water in the gas, because when I bought the trailer and everything, I left it out here, of course in the rain and everything, for about a couple months. Well, I guess the water doesn't leak out of the gas tank, but I guess when it rains a lot, it can go in somehow. So I figured that must have been it. So water got in the gas, and that's why as soon as it went to go, the water was shutting it out. So he got some new gas, fixed it up, running like a charm. So now I have supposedly no excuse to take the boat out. I thought you'd be excited to hear. I've got a running motor, I've got a trailer with lights. The only thing stop me from growing is I'm not good at backing these things up, and it scares the heck out of me. So I'm going to study a little bit online, find a proper way of backing up a trailer, okay, so I'm not going the opposite. And hopefully, in the next few weeks, I'm going to take this out and have a little fun with it before winter comes. So, to make a long story short, I now have a boat. Hope you enjoyed that. Hope maybe something here helped you. And go ahead and share your comments. Okay, you can laugh if you want. Give me tips and tell me what else I should know about this thing. So with that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye now.